Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I demonstrated how to create a talking character. However, the response was good, and one of our clever viewers requested a tutorial on making a character like Leo AI. Who can resist Leo AI's cuteness, right? So, challenge accepted. Today, I'll guide you through creating your very own animated character, just as adorable as Leo AI, using free tools. Lighten up, Archie. Follow along, and I'll show you how easy it is. Let's not waste any time and jump right in. Step 1. Create your character. The first thing you need to do is grab an image. Go to Leo AI's channel, take a screenshot of the green character, and save it to your device. Head over to CapCut to remove the background. Click on Magic Tools. Select Remove Background. And save the edited image. Next, upload the image to Bing. Describe the image, and copy the description for later use in image generation. Go to CapCut and generate variations of your image using CapCut's AI text-to-image tool. Upload the photo. Give the prompt from Bing. Choose the one you like the most. Step 2. Make it look sharper. Now that you have your image, let's enhance it. Use ClipDrop, a powerful AI tool, to upscale and improve the image's quality. Upload your image, choose the upscale option, and witness the magic. Upscale it again for a higher resolution. Step 3. Remove the background and mouth. Remove the background using ClipDrop's Remove Background feature. Then, use the cleanup tool to erase the mouth, making it easier to add a talking animation. Upscale the image again for a sharper look. Step 4. Make it talk. For this, you'll need 2 free tools, ClipDrop and Canva. Find a talking mouth animation on YouTube, download it, and use ClipDrop to remove the green background. Go to ElevenLabs to find your character's voice. Type the text, choose a voice, generate, and save the voice file to your device. Step 5. Complete your character design. Head over to Canva, upload your image and mouth video. Adjust the size and position of the mouth to match your character's face. Your character design is now complete. Let's play the video and see how it looks.
Hi, what do you think of the result? Do you like our character in the video? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and have a great day.
So everyone, were you surprised by how easy it was to create an animated character like Leo AI using these free tools? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing AI tutorials. Thank you.